Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm taking a look at the Luminkey Magger, and this keyboard is really good overall. I've been using it for a couple months and it is a just overall really good keyboard. It is about $120 on Lethal Gaming Gear's website and it has a great feel to it. This is me typing. Really good feel to it. No problem there. It also has 0.01 actuation with rapid trigger and it's really good for all games really. It's also like for the price, I'd say it's really worth it for the price. That's not even that expensive because you look at other keyboards for like $200, but this one's only 120. Definitely very durable and will last a long time. So go check it out, guys.